You just seen me unbox Sally's shocks, and I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it did, so it worked out. Shout out to Precision Racing Suspension, PRS, Adam Lambert, for getting us handled in a timely manner. It took about a day, and he called Monday and was like, hey man, I could have these done and out to you today, and that's what happened. It's supposed to rain. I went inside. I really wanted to get this picture before it started raining, and I wouldn't be able to do anything for the next day. Damn guys, Sally in the Camaro. Looking good. Race car carpet.
Yeah.
At the
non-flammable SFI carpet.
Yeah, is that SFI certified?
It's SFI.
We got it at the Holly's Performance.
SFI.
At the Ollie's Performance. The Camaro and the Mustang out, and the neighbor parked his truck just randomly up in our yard. So, thanks to him for that, Scott. But we got to do a oil change. Just the valves fired up. Clean up on the inside, give her a good waxing in there. All pretty dusty. I mean, I like the race packs over here. You got a good layer, a little dust on it, a rocker, what have you. And he's cutting some carpet. We did the drive shaft tunnel and the trans tunnel. I think it came up pretty good.
We're working on it. Gonna work a lot on the top secret project this weekend.
Yeah, don't worry, that'll get touched up right there. So that was did that putting the trans tunnel in, but it looked real nice with the shifter in there, and
I think so.
The MSD stuff, gauges, what have you. Water stay in, and keep doing that, and eventually it'll start pumping water. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to come over there tomorrow and try to help you, but it's quit out. I can't come tonight. So, got most of the car clay blocked, and it looks much better, with the exception of some of the just water running off of it.
Yeah, we'll get some nice spray wax for it tonight.
Yep. But it looks muchos. Hey, Rube! Hey, Rube! Hey, Rube!
Yeah, Beirut. You said yell, hey, Rube, if we needed. I was hoping for some carnies to come around the corner.
So what you doing, buddy?
All right, well, So you bought an interior for this car, firewall, training tunnel, and 2 floorboards.
Yeah.
And it's from Chassis Engineering. Pretty nice piece.
And where do you get it?
virtualspeedperformance.com, of course.
And the link will be below for
Awesome.
the what we have for it.
Now, I've never done this before. However, I've thought it out.
Don't mind Dave's mower in the background.
Oh, he's mowing our yard, so we can't get upset about it. So what I did is I got some of this cardboard here, and this will be the top of the aluminum, this will be the side of the aluminum, and I notched it so it'll sit like that, and I can do both sides.
Okay.
Same thing on this will be my bottom, and luckily
Alright.
the car is somewhat symmetrical, and that should sit like that, so that'll be my bottom of my aluminum.
Alright.
This bar is 51 inches. So I found the center, which is 25 and a quarter. Yeah, 25 and a half. And I put the mid plate in to find the center of the mid plate. And the mid plate luckily is in the center of the car.
Well, that's good. That's a
My
good
reason
start.
for doing that is I want that training tunnel in the center of the car so it's not to the left or to the right.
Right.
And that is 60 inches, so I'm gonna...
So it's a little long. It's
Yeah.
They left it long so you could cut it to fit your deal.
Yeah, my thought process is I'm gonna run it right down that bar.
Hold on, I gotta get there. Right down this bar?
I'm gonna run it right down that bar. I tried to talk loud. And then I'll make a filler panel out of the excess of it
Right.
that we have. So I'll make a few cuts and I'll yell back at you when we're ready to see how it goes. By the way, this is not an instructional video. I'm a dumbass and I've never done this before.
But yeah, this is the it's a firewall kit from Chassis Engineering.
Pretty nice piece.
If you guys are interested, I'll link the kit to my website, virtualspeedperformance.com, below. And it comes with this piece and a few other pieces.
Comes with a filler piece here.
Yeah, filler piece.
We're gonna make.
Because we didn't do an unboxing video on the firewall. Here's an unboxing video. This is the floors. Everybody loves unboxing videos. I like unboxing videos. I don't know about you guys. Ta-da! Apparently, well, there's the part number 8045, and this is the right side. I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, like I said, the only thing that irritates me a little bit is there was a filler panel they had made.
Right.
One on that side and there's one missing from this side. But I put the upper piece in there.
Was it taken out before us? You know what I mean?
No, it was in there when it came here because I'm like, oh look, I won't even have to make that filler panel.
Oh. This is a Camaro project. There's a piece, this piece originally went right there. It held the MSD box and stuff like that. It's pretty ugly, so we went to Lowe's and hunted down a piece of lexan, and my plan is to trace it out, and I got a jigsaw from Patriot Pump and Well Repair over there, and I'm gonna cut it. Oh, mother. Maybe, okay, so I got this piece cut out. This is actually my second piece because I had it cut out and I went to go pull it out and guess what? This piece broke. So I had to trace it out, and luckily we had a big enough piece where I could make another one. So I got it sanded up on along the sides, and it looks not too shabby actually. I plan on sanding this and painting it, but this will be the ignition box that'll go on it, and I'll figure out a smart way to mount it, if there even is a smart way to mount it. Alright, so anyways, that was my first time cutting lexan and first time using a jigsaw, and I would say I'd rate my experience a 7 out of 10.
I bring the pain, not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Yeah, oh yeah, the beast back. Adrenaline pumping through my veins, can't relax. Original, I am not the same as these cats. I sting them if they never ever mind.